we'll let this cook for another 5 minutes, and then we check it out. I really don't want it to be too slimy. Hello LuxOrians and my new viewers, welcome to the family. It's your girl Honoria with yet another interesting recipe. I bring to you today a combination of Ayurvedic herbs to incorporate into your hair care formulations and also use as a water-based replacement when making your shampoo bar, deep conditioner, hairspray, liquid shampoo, or even just adding it into your store-bought conditioner for that extra benefit from Ayurvedic herbs. I have a video of how I use these infused herbs to make my Ayurvedic shampoo bar for massive hair growth up on my channel. I'll leave a link on the screen and in the description box. If you're interested to see what herbs I used and their benefits, please stay tuned and keep watching. So flax seeds are rich in vitamin E and they are very great for both our hair and skin. It promotes hair growth and slows down hair breakage. Antioxidant in basil seeds helps to stimulate the production of hair and prevent premature hair loss. Hemp protein is loaded with omega-3, 6, and 9 fatty acids, and this ultra-high concentration of healthy fats helps promote healthy hair growth and adds sheen and luster to the hair. Some studies also claim that omega-3 fatty acids reverses hair loss, so you don't want to miss that in your recipe. Lavender increases circulation to hair follicles and also encourages hair to grow thicker and faster than normal. Rosemary is a very rich source of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that directly helps protect against hair loss. And I grew my own mint in my garden, and then I harvested, dried them, and saved them to have this consistency. So if you want to see how I make this mint powder, I'm going to leave a link somewhere on the screen. Mint is rich in menthol and has strong antibacterial properties. It stimulates and increases blood flow to the scalp and hair roots, which promotes healthy hair follicles and longer, fuller hair. And the last but not the least is fenugreek. Fenugreek is that holy grail product when it comes to herbs and taking care of our hair, especially the afro hair. It contains lecithin, which acts as a natural emollient. It conditions and moisturizes your scalp. It helps to revive damaged hair. It helps to fight dandruff. It controls scalp inflammation. It adds shine and soft texture. It prevents premature gray hair. I don't know what this product cannot do when it comes to hair and hair growth. So you don't want to put this out. This is a very, very good product. So guys, what we're going to do is we are going to take a little bit of all of this and put in water. So we are going to infuse this in water, but we're going to do it on heat. I'm going to look into all this, what I really need to be in my shampoo bar, and then I'm going to go with higher percentages, and those that are not, I really don't need so much, I'm going to go with a lower percentage. want to make sure you're using distilled water or boiled and cooled down tap water. And we're going to cook this on very low heat for 30 minutes to take out the goodies. So when this is like 25 minutes gone, we're going to go in with this one. I'll show you when we get there. The reason why we are using very low heat is because we don't want to kill the goodies in these herbs. And also, we're going to sieve these and then freeze it. We are freezing it also because we don't want the sodium hydroxide to interfere with the powers of our herbs. It's so ready. It's very soft, and we have extracted all the goodies from our herbs, and we have lost some water as well. So when we drain this up, we're going to top the water up to 500 grams again. So now it's the time for us to go in with our flax seed, and we'll let this cook for another 5 minutes, and then we check it out. I really don't want it to be too slimy. So I'll be back to show you the results after 5 minutes. I have a video of how I used this Ayurvedic solution to make my fortifying hair growth shampoo bar up on my channel already. Be sure to check that out after watching this video. I'll upload more videos on the various ways in which you can use this Ayurvedic solution. We've now come to the end of this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.